Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Balaj, Audrey. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Distortion, Undivine, Busy. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Nabil, Naman, Martin. So the dollar is spiking up. So when the dollar shows strength like this, the market should be weak. This was a really... They're trying to make this look very bullish. Let's see if there's buyers to continue on with this bullish pressure that we just got here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we're not in any trade right now. Basically the market's just chopping around here. We have some news coming out at 10 a.m. All right, so I mean, clearly the market is just chopping around. This isn't a so this isn't an entirely like very. This is a bearish setup. All right, as long as it remains below 456.66, it's bearish. But as we've seen, as soon as they make something look very bearish, they ripped it right back up and held these prior levels of support. So, we have news coming out at 10. ISM data was decent. The news that just came out was pretty good. Okay. All right, man. That should be good. Everything should be good now. Okay, let's trade. I would normally have gone short. So the reason why I didn't go short yet is because I'm greedy and I want some sort of a retest above. I don't want to go short into support. This is really weak. This is really, really freaking weak. After looking this week, this is where they basically have to make a decision of whether it's going to continue falling. The SPY is at major support here at 456.46. NASDAQ has major support at 382. The IWM has major support at 196.94. We're also sitting right above the VWAP and the 50 SMA on the SPY. Definitely not safe to go short now into the hole already where like a move happens to the downside. But definitely weak. Also, again, sorry guys, I'm not really looking at the chat at all. Sorry about that. It's all good. Sure, some of you guys took that short anyway. Fudge. God damn, bro. So this all kind of just got screwed up. I initially wanted to go short around 10:04, 10:05 with a high of day stop loss. As we wicked up at 10 a.m., we showed a really strong resistance for the day. And then I got really excited. I want to short. And then I had to respond to a few things. And that right afterward, we got a nice little drop. So that sort of was the unfortunate part. Well, what are you gonna do? So everyone that tried to go long off of this, that is unfortunate. That is very unfortunate. Everyone that just tried to go long off of this low here. Reverse the entire gains. God damn. Shoot. That is very unfortunate. A light trade. I'm in SPY calls, low of day stop loss. Very, very light. This is risky. 0.60 is a stop loss. It's probably not going to work, but this is very light. I want to take it. Let's see. See if they slingshot it up. Otherwise, it's a light trade. Stop loss right near the lows. We don't care about it just holding support. We want a big, strong move to the upside. Make sure whatever it is, it's light. We're clearly fighting. All right. All right. Perfect. I'm selling some, take some profit. Everyone should be up at least 10, 12%. At least. You guys got a better fill price than I did. Now I'll just let runners ride. Fudge. We could have made shit. We could have made so much money. All good. What are you gonna do? Oh, what are you gonna do? Now just let runners ride. Don't let it go red. Took a nice slow, safe trade. Simple. We took it. We took longs. Low of day stop loss, basically. 10% stop loss on the contracts. Nice and simple. Don't let the contracts go back red. You know what I'm saying? Also, sorry guys. Once again, I wasn't looking at the chat at all. And that's not because I've just been negligent or anything like that. I generally don't do that. It's not out of disrespect. I'm not trying to disrespect anyone. It's just the first hour. The first half hour, I had to put out some, like I had to basically help my team with stuff, and then miss the trade, the short, right? So then as I missed the short, needed to make sure that we would at least make a one trade. Generally, it's very risky to try to short here. If there's going to be buyers, they have to rip it up very, very soon. They're trying to entice people to go short. And as we know, it's like an 85, 90% chance trying to go short here doesn't usually work. But it does when there's a huge move to the downside. So, sort of a toss-up. But yeah, man, if there's buyers going to step in, they're gonna try to make it look as bearish as possible and then rip face to the upside. So, but we can't trade based off of that. We can't trade based off of potential buyers stepping in, etc., etc., you know. But definitely it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to load up on shorts on the bottom here when the market is trying to consolidate and create support, you know. So in general, right, you gotta like control your emotions and not get enticed by trade setups. Like, don't get manipulated into taking certain trades because like a setup on the 1 minute or something looks, you know. Ooh, if this breaks below 455.65, 455.60, this is I don't think they're gonna let it drop below that, to be honest. That would be too devastating. We already had too big of a move to the downside for them to just make another cascading drop. Yeah. So they tried to make it look very, very scary bearish, right? And then as soon as they did that, that's when a lot more people started to go short. Basically, this whole game is just, they need liquidity, so they're trying to make people go the opposite direction and just rip people apart. It's the NASDAQ bounced beautifully already. The NASDAQ, relative to where the SPY is right now, the NASDAQ is all the way up here. So the NASDAQ is doing what it should be doing, basically, but yeah. The NASDAQ is now at 382 resistance. If you can break above that, that would be good. But a lot of the weakness right now is due to the IWM just being the biggest loser. The IWM is down 1.3%, 1.4%. Bro. There we go. Yeah, that's why you just don't short. 85-90% of the freaking time, when you try to short on the first retest of resistance after a huge drop, it never works. They try to make it look, they try to paint it very, very bearish, right? So I'm not saying that the setup, it made sense to go short. They tried to make it look like it was going to fall. But when they do that, you have to contextualize it with where that setup is happening on the chart. If that setup is happening at the highs, then yeah, for sure, go ahead and go short. But if the setup, if a very, very bearish setup is happening at the lows, you have to assume that they're just doing that because they want more people to load up on shorts so that there's more vigor and strength for the rip to the upside. If it's just buyers, stepping in, the bounce is not going to be that aggressive. To make it even more aggressive, they want to entice people. Let me make sure you guys can see. They wanted to entice people to go short as well. They wanted people to go short at these lows so that as the buyers did step in, it would be even more buying pressure. Goddamn. Oh yeah, all right. Now, yeah. Now is definitely the time to sell everything. Yep. Yeah, contracts should be up over 30%. I'm selling everything right here. Yep. Now the question is, should we go short? I'm not holding any longs. Sold everything. The question is, should we go short? Generally, yes, we should be going short. I'm fucking nasty at this. Goddamn, bro. Alhamdulillah, man. Glad we sold. But, I didn't enter short. Even though we should. But I'm glad we sold the top here. I really want to go short. I don't want to be too like blinded by anything here, and it's always very important to just take every trade separately. but damn, it looks so good to short, bro. Especially below 456.33, below 456.50. That's where VWAP, the 50 SMA, the 200 SMA, all of it is coinciding around 456.35, 456.40 on the SPY. You guys, all right. This was a good trade. This was a good trade. All right, we missed the move down. We caught the bottom. All right, at least we caught the bottom. We didn't like just shit on our hands all day. Did you guys like sell the entire position at 10%, or did you hold runners and like? You guys made money on this, right? Can I see some ones in the chat if you guys made like money on it? If you guys are green for the day, can I see some ones in the chat? Oh, nice. Adam, XCal, Eric, JCal, user 297, user 590. Oh, Aaron. Nico, holy crap, Nico, how you been, man? Nora, Undivine, Nathan, The Real Cookies, Earth, Smiley, Go, Eric, Simon, Positive, Foo, ABF, Sajan made $15 a contract from 71 to 86. 1 second. Fudge. I think we should go short. Honestly, fudge. I want to wait for a bit of a retest. I want to try to get the contracts closer to well, it's the big show. What are you gonna do? I hope it bounces. Honestly, just bounce. Don't drop. We didn't short. Just bounce higher. We went long. Just bounce higher. Bounce higher, please. Don't drop. Don't drop, please. Busy Farhan, nice. Rock and B bait and tackle, nice. Took a SPY short at VWAP. You're the GOAT. So the SPY has resistance, obviously VWAP, and then 456.50. 456.50 was the prior level of support this entire morning. All right. Jacob still have the whole actually contract. Jacob 1's tick trend 2. Damn, bro, what happened? How did you get 2? Nathan, Roberto, XCal up 100 a day. Nice. Beautiful. Jacob, yeah, I'm responding to TikTok and YouTube. Yo, bro, I got your app, Beast. My brother, thank you, man. Thank you, I appreciate it, man. Honestly, my gut is telling me to basically just go short with a stop loss at 456.50. This is basically a short that you would take like a few days out. You don't even need to be aggressive on a 0 DTE. Just the setup just looks very, very bearish. I just am not that comfortable going short on a 0 DTE just yet. Okay. Now we're definitely not gonna try short. $456 puts looking delicious. This is honestly, this, if we were gonna go short, it should be now. I'm just, I don't, it's not like screaming at me. Usually I would have already went short. I'm not even like, even if it does fall, it's not, it's nothing too serious, honestly. Like, yeah, I mean, look, you could go short basically with a stop loss right at 456 40, 456.33 basically, and just hope that the downward pressure like pushes and continues to maintain itself down. That's a short, but it's not like screaming at me. But yeah. Hopefully tomorrow we'll catch more trade setups in the first 30 minutes as well. And yeah, man, it is what it is. I mean, took one trade. Solid, beautiful freaking trade. I think I said around like 10, 11. I think I mentioned that I wanted to go short, but I was being greedy, right? That's what I said, I think. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, all good. We made a good trade. We caught the bottom. We sold around here. Made about 30%. It is what it is. I'm just honestly, you know, it was very, very easy to try to go long here at 10.16, 10.17. They tried to make this look like it was going to be the bottom. And, oh, sorry, let me show you guys on the chart. So, they tried to make this look like a bottom, right? So we had a huge move to the downside. This one candle, wick below the low of day, right? Generally, this is very, very bullish. The next candle right afterward, boom, big green candle. Lots of people went long. They tried to make that look very, very bullish, and then just devastated everyone that went long and made another low. So then after this low, everyone that went long, two things happened. Either these people, obviously they sold their longs, and then also they added to shorts. So after this big red candle here, people added to shorts, and then this was the bottom of the day, and then we went long and it worked out. So it is what it is. I mean, generally, you guys know me already. I hate missing moves, but I hate missing moves because it's a waste of your time. Does that make sense? Like, I hate the fact that you guys are watching and it's like I don't, you know, take every single amazing setup. And but yeah, man, it's a good problem to have. It's a good problem to have, not losing money and making money. It's a good problem to have. puts. Contracts are moving very sensitively right now. So I'm in light puts. I'm in light 456 puts. 456.65 is a stop. These are light. Make sure anything that you're in right now is light. The contracts are moving really, really sensitively. I'm selling some, taking some profit. This is I'm selling some here, and this we need it to vomit. We need it to vomit. It needs to just remain below 456.48, and then it could just vomit. And then the downward pressure is going to just continue, but They're not letting it drop, unfortunately. This is where they should be letting it drop. But, you know, let's see what they do to late bears. That's basically it. People that are trying to short here are late bears. We got in at a very nice time. We went short at the top here. People that are trying to go short here are late bears. And we need to see if they're gonna reward these stupid idiots. And these motherfuckers got rewarded. Good. Beautiful, beautiful freaking trade, man. Beautiful freaking trade, man. Almost. Let's go. Break to 30%. Break to freaking 30%. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, bro. Beautiful. Alright, I'm about to sell everything. I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm out of everything. I'm gonna call it a day. There's just like a lot of... I was doing like 30 things at the same time. I can't wait for everything to just be in motion and for me to just focus on trading, bro. I can't wait. But yeah, man. Everyone did well, right? You guys, I love you. Love you too. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff, everyone. Thank God. Good stuff. Yeah, we missed we missed this whole big freaking drop in the morning. We were patient. We waited. I didn't go short at 1040 over here, right? I didn't short here. It wasn't calling my name, right? And then as we went higher, then the market called like, Hamid, it's time to short. I was like, okay, I picked up and I was like, oh, okay, all right, I guess I'll go short. And then I called you guys and then we took the trade together. So worked out really, really well. Damn. What a blessing, man. This is crazy. What a life. But yeah, everyone, love you guys. We killed it. Yeah, 100%. We killed it. Damn, look at... That's beautiful, man. Everyone that made money, right? Can you guys screenshot your stuff and then post them in the profit and losses channel in the Discord? I want to make like a, you know, post stuff like that on social media. And then if you guys tag me on Instagram, I'll reshare the story. Like if you guys tag me in a story on Instagram, like I'll reshare the story. And yeah, I mean, if you guys made money, that's if you guys made money or anything like that, you guys want to tag me and stuff, then yeah, it'd be dope. Xcal Hamid, you beautiful guy. User, you're making my life better. Take care, man. Appreciate it. Thank you, man. I would post it, but I'm not able to post on your Discord. You should be able to post in the profit and losses channel. All right. Crazy. Beautiful trade. All right. Once again, for everyone that's watching, go to the link in my bio, download the app, go to joinwave.io. It's the first app in history that shares trades right to your phone, completely for free. Double tap the screen, share it with your friends and family. Inside the app, the link to the Discord is there, where all of the books, courses, education, material, everything that you need to learn how to become a profitable trader. You know, like, you're watching me do this live, right? It's no catch, no gimmick. I'm not charging anyone for anything. I'm not asking for any money. All of this stuff is free, and there's a reason why. I mean, look, if I was a scammer or something like that, people would have made videos about me already, but there isn't, and it's a beautiful way to live. So yeah, I'm just here to help. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade, definitely click the link in my bio, or just go to joinwave.io, download the app, join the wave, man. That's all I can say. And with that being said, hopefully tomorrow I'll be speaking to the chat more. I'm really sorry, like, that there's so many messages that I just didn't look at, but I hope I made up for it with these solid trades, man. So yeah, all right, I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Take care, man. Have a freaking amazing day. Don't neglect going to the gym. Don't neglect eating healthy foods. You know, make sure to do everything, all right? Have a nice, happy, balanced, beautiful life, all right? I hope everyone has a spectacular day. I genuinely love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Everything's gonna work out. And yeah, man, love you guys. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah, take care. All right, love you guys. Have a good one, man.